Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Yeah, Amaru. Yeah, how you looking calm, baby, in spite of the body stretching, now your pinstripes. Got so much to tell you, come on inside. Hey. You was MIA from the invite, tryna give me daps with my hands tied. All I wish for, if you could go my way. Yeah, been had me from the start. You've been on my radar for too long. Want you to stay, babe. You'd never say the word. I could give you the world, girl, won't you? Try me, I bet you gon' like it. Lava, baby, lava, yeah, me, lava, with me, baby, yeah. Lava, baby, lava, yeah, me, lava, with me, baby, yeah. Just me and you tonight, tonight. Ain't no other girl hotter than you, girl, you next up. All we gotta do, we could pick up where we left off. Always wanted you, baby, we can be the best us. Oh yeah, yeah. Been around the block, but I'm back cause you the best out. Girl, I know you tired cause the world don't got you stressed out. This is our chance, baby, don't you let it pass us. Come over, yeah.
right, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this wig, then please continue to watch. All right, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Yes, y'all, this is yet another unit with the 4C edges. You guys know right now that's trendy, okay? So I'm like, why not try it in every texture? You know me, child, okay? So this one is a body wave one. It says Beauty Forever Best Body Wave 13x4 lace front wig with baby hair, 150% density pre-plucked virgin human hair. Now, honestly, I don't really see the baby hairs on this, but yeah, I don't see it on here where it says it, nor do it look like it in the picture, but they did tell me that all of the units that they were gonna be sending out with, like, they gave me 3 options, basically. And in those 3 options, they did say that all of them would have the 4C baby hairs. So I knew that was going to be the case. But this is brand Beauty Forever. Color is natural color. It is available in 16 to 24 inches. It's average cap size, and yeah, that's pretty much it as far as details and specs that I personally see. So they don't have on here what length they sent me. It does say it's only available in 150% density, and in my opinion, this is pretty thick for 150%, especially as a body wave wig. But they have on that as 150% density, so honey, we ain't gonna be mad at nobody having thicker. We only be mad when it's less than what it says, okay? I ain't gonna be mad at nobody for it being thicker than what it says. If I had to guess, I would say this length is probably 24 inches, and I'm gonna do a full 360 and show you guys so you guys can really see it. This is just your standard body wave wig. It's an average cap size. To me, it is big head friendly, and it also has that adjustable strap that I did have to use. I did have to utilize the adjustable strap as well as, the elastic band. I had to adjust that as well as the adjustable straps. So in my opinion, it's big head friendly, but I am an average cap size, so girl, take that with a grain of salt. I can only talk about the head that is on my shoulders. As far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, in my opinion, it did none of the things straight out of the packaging. That's not to say our girl won't do any other things at some point. It's just that straight out of the packaging, she did none of the things. Now, I did bleach the knots, but as far as the hairline in itself, I did not touch it. So how you see it is how she woke up. Now, I know this trend is not for everyone, but honestly, y'all, I like it. I like it. It's basically like it's giving me baby hairs without me having to do a whole lot of work to them. Now, I could have swooped these. I didn't feel like they were super dense. I wasn't really mad at the look of them, and I wanted you guys to look at them, like to be able to see them without me super swooping them. And I may at some point swoop them, but for today, she gonna wear it like this. I'm just gonna act like child, like my hair was done, but then my edges sweated out or something. But yeah, so I decided not to swoop, but you can do it however you want to. And if you don't like the trend and you like, I thought I was gonna like it, I don't, you can just always kind of push them back and not utilize them at all. So I like the versatility that these baby hairs offer me. So yes, I want to throw that out there. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so we're going to start with the cons because you know your girl like to end on a high note. So my con with this wig is that it's a 13x4, and honey, this welt has been wefting, okay? So y'all know how I feel about that. And yeah. I should have did a C part, but for some reason, I was feeling a bust down today, okay? So yeah, that is going to be my con. My pros is I love the hair. The hair feels good. Like I said, it's your standard body wave, but it feels really, really nice. I love the length. I love that it came with layers, although I did add a few more. And I am feeling the 4C baby hairs, y'all, okay? Judge me not, sis. Judge me not. I am definitely feeling it. And yeah, that is pretty much it. And yeah, those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would recommend this unit. I feel like it is super cute, and I think everybody needs at least one body wave. Just like I feel like everybody needs at least one straight wig, I feel like you need at least one body wave, okay? You can never go wrong with a good body wave unit. And add the 4C edges, like, boom! It just does something for me, okay? So yes, I would recommend this unit. All right, so let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you think it's a look, it's a vibe like I do. Sound off down below in the comments. Cynthia, have I sold you on the 4C baby hairs yet or not? Or you like still no, girl? It's okay. Let me know what you think down below. Once again, shop You Beauty Forever for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
All right, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Held to Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous Beauty on Twitter. And I'll see you lovers next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every style and weekly.